Hi, we're Kelly and Kevin. We're taking 5 days to drive from Los Angeles to San Francisco on the famous Pacific Coast Highway. We'll be exploring state parks, famous beaches, and the rugged coastline while staying in some awesome places along the way. Morning! Greetings from Big Sur, California. So we stayed last night in a little motel room just along the side of California's Highway 1. So we're outside of the main lobby trying to pick up internet so we can post one of our YouTube videos. Alright, I think we finally got that uploaded. That was a little bit of a struggle, but it's what you gotta do when you're on the road, I guess.
So we're gonna continue driving up the coast of Big Sur today, making our way to Monterey, but it should be really beautiful, so we're gonna check out some state parks along the way. Just down the road from our hotel is Pfeiffer Big Sur State Park, so we have pulled in to do a little bit of hiking before we drive north.
So they didn't give out any pamphlets or maps or anything due to COVID, so we have absolutely no idea about anything in the state park, which is unusual for us, but actually kind of fun because we can just discover. So I saw a sign for a hike that was about a half a mile, and I thought, hey, we can do that pretty quick. It is the River Gorge hike. On the way, it said something about a homestead cabin, so it should be pretty scenic. We'll see. About 1/10 of the mile from the trailhead is the homestead cabin, which was the home of some of the original settlers of the Big Sur area, which was pretty cool. Something that people recommended we do while we were in Big Sur is go to Pfeiffer Beach, but we just tried unsuccessfully for a second time. It looks like they're limiting the amount of people that go in because of COVID, which I guess makes sense. But we couldn't do it. They wouldn't let us in either time, so I guess we'll have to come back when it's not in the summer and not during COVID.
We have made our way to the Molera State Park, and we have parked the car. We are headed down towards the beach.
So Molera State Park is a little bit north of the main area of Big Sur. It seems to be slightly less crowded, which is nice. There's a small parking area, and since it's a state park, it is $10 US to park your vehicle. But we have an annual state park pass, so we didn't have to pay that. Yay! There's also a lot of warning signs about poison oak around here. There is actually a lot of it along the trail, so I will not be using a trail bathroom and squatting down. Yeah, I'll be staying on trail for this one, definitely. We've walked along the bluff trail for a while. It kind of cut out to the ocean and then back up inland a little bit, and we're up on top of this, I guess, bluff with a nice view of the ocean. It's getting a little late, so I think we're going to wrap this hike up pretty soon because we still have some driving.
All right, we are back at the car. We're gonna eat a little lunch here before we get back on the road.
One way that we try to cut costs on trips is to bring a cooler with food. But we go so hard that by the end of the day, we go all out on dinner, so it ends up kind of evening out. So we get like a nice picnic lunch and then nice, relaxing, fancy dinner with a drink.
One of the most iconic spots to stop on the Big Sur Drive is Bixby Bridge. So we've just pulled off. It's a little busy, but we're gonna head out and see if we can get a couple photos.
If you've ever seen the show Big Little Lies with Reese Witherspoon, this is in the opening credits. And tonight we're gonna be up in Monterey, which is where that show takes place.
I've never seen that show.
All right, a stop after Bixby Creek Bridge is Garrapata State Park. There's so many state parks along this stretch of coastline, it's insane. You could probably do one state park for every day of the week and still not visit them all. Like, it's so gorgeous. The coastline just keeps going and going. There's sea lions on this rock right here. They're pretty far off, but I can hear them. They sound so funny. I love it.
Back to the car. All checked in.
We all checked in?
All checked in.
Look, there's the ocean right there. We just checked into the Intercontinental, the Clement in Monterey. It's right in the heart of Cannery Row, which is like exactly where you want to be in Monterey. I mean, it's like the big tourist center, I guess, but it's right on the water, so it's where all the good seafood is and where the good views are. So I'm happy to be staying here tonight. We'll tell you more about the room once we get into it, but for now, we're gonna get our luggage. We are staying in the Intercontinental, the Clement in Monterey in the middle of Cannery Row, which, as I said, is pretty much where you want to stay. It's in the middle of everything, right on the water, and it's super nice. We've got this big comfy bed, really nice bathroom. I think this will do.
Normally we would not stay at a place like this, but this night is free.
It's because of another credit card that I have. That's right, I have another hotel credit card.
Yeah, she's great with hotel credit cards. So if you get the IHG MasterCard, they give you one free night per year, and you can choose it at any property that they have. So we decided to use it tonight in Monterey.
Yes, the one I have has a $49 annual fee, but this is worth well over $49. So we've got to stay here in the middle of summer, and there are not any blackout dates for this place. And
yeah, by no means is this sponsored or anything. It's just a great little tip that we like to share with you guys so you can save money when you travel.
I'll link it down below, and if you apply through me, we'll both get a bonus, and it'll be a win-win for everybody.
So I think we're just gonna get settled in and relax for a little bit, but there's one thing that I have to do before that happens.
Good morning, guys. So we totally forgot to do a sign off yesterday because we were so exhausted. We went to dinner and then just crashed. But we're up early today because we have a couple of exciting things planned and I can't wait to show you that, but you're gonna have to wait until the next video. Ha! Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that next video, and hit the thumbs up button if you liked this video, and let us know in the comments if you've ever been to Monterey and what your favorite thing to do here was, and we will see you in the next video. This is the Awkward Tourist. Peace out. Ah, there's a bee! Help! Oh my God. Help me.
So I'm so bad at this.